What's going on, team? So this is DWT. I just finished trading live with the Learn Plan Profit group. Ended up having to cut losses on one of my trades during the live stream. So I'm actually up $511 or $500 on the open. On the day is 213. So it's about almost a $400 loss. I think $395 to be exact. But it was on DWT. So pretty much I'll explain kind of what happened. This thing pushed up, it became overextended, it began to sell off. I got in before the confirmation on DWT, and then it began to sell off. It ended up bouncing, ended up having to cut losses around this general area. And you can see that exactly play out right here. So we can click here, click on show trades. And again, this is a TD Ameritrade thinkorswim platform. So you can see I bought, ended up selling off. So I was actually up about 250, and then it just changed its overall direction, and I had to cover profits. Now look at the RSI, look at the MACD. It might be time for me to lock in profits on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, well, I guess I could leave that there. So let me go ahead and get this order ready to sell. So I can see kind of like where the bid is at, where the ask is at. So I'm going to go ahead and sell with a limit order, and I'm going to put it right here. So I'm just going to lock in profits and walk away. So I ended up selling my entire position at 6.44. I'm going to go ahead and let the team know. So just sold DWT. And it looks like it's still pushing up. So that's great for DWT, but one of the things that I want to take into consideration is that as of right now, one of the main reasons that I sold is that, you know, since the market has opened, DWT has been trading in between the middle and bottom VWAP. So it's actually been selling off. The middle VWAP, which is the purple line that you see right here, has been acting as a resistance, and the bottom VWAP has been acting as somewhat of a support. So again, overall low points, high points, and the overall direction is not in my favor. So there's a huge risk by trading descending patterns, right? So I just wanted to do my part to lock in profits. The MACD looks a little bit on the overextended side. Yes, I do agree that it can continue to uptrend. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, anything can happen. But the RSI also. So the overall pattern, overall direction, overall previous resistance, right? And then these series of indicators influence me to, you know, want to lock in profit. So ended up being able to walk away with $363.30, which means that I made about like $800 to about $850 for that specific trade. So very happy with that. I'm back in the green, and again, the market opened a little bit under an hour ago. So off to a decent start. Did a good job managing my risk the first time, and just tried to keep the losses small while my profits being a little bit bigger. So yeah, just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. Alright, so I'm keeping a very close eye on the MACD. I decided to get back in because it looks like it got rejected by the EMA line, and the overall direction might begin to change. So really excited to see kind of what happens here.
Build a playground for the sinners, players, saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother caught in the crossfire.
Here we go, team. DWT just broke new highs. $1,300 profit on the day. Time to lock in profits. Here we go. Boom, sold. Boom. Oh, $1,176 on the day. Alright, team, one of the things that I wanted to show you is where I bought and where I sold. As you guys can see, I added more to my position size as it was showing signs of an uptrend, and altogether on the day is $1,176 profit. Alright, team, I'm going to lock in profits right here. So there we go. Ended up selling at 14.645, right? So I made $359 on this itself. So I'm going to go back to my P&L. So you guys can see I locked in profits. All my positions are closed as of right now. It's 1,500 that I was able to lock in. And I'm going to go back to the charts. And one thing that I can show you here is where I entered, where I exited. And bought, sold super quickly, right? And one of the main reasons that I decided to lock in profits, and it's actually pulling back, is because /CL. So I just saw it begin to consolidate for some time. It wasn't really making higher highs anymore, and then it began to show signs of a potential rejection. And again, actions speak louder than words. And when there's an obvious indication of a potential resistance and a reason that I should probably lock in profits, regardless if I'm up, regardless if I'm down, regardless of how much it is that I want it to go up, again, I have learned from my experience that it's always best just to take action based off of anything that is that I'm kind of like observing and analyzing. But it looks like it's picking right back up. I'm just going to let the team know that I ended up locking in profits on UWT. So sold UWT /CL, still consolidating. There we go. So just keeping them up to date with kind of what it is that I'm and what it is that I'm kind of like trading in and why I see value in it. So one of the things that we covered within the Learn Plan Profit live stream today was the importance of confirmation. And if you don't have confirmations, then or if you don't have confirmation, you're going to feel less confident with your trade, and that's why it's so important to have that reassurance that the overall direction is in your favor. So it just means that I have to simply give this more time for it to identify its direction, whichever way it goes, and then trade according to that. And they all understand that within the Learn Plan Profit team.
For this.
Sold UWT altogether on the day, $704 on UWT, and altogether with my overall positions on the day. So this is where I bought, this is where I sold, and $1,881.
For this.
It's going to be time to lock in profits on DWT. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what was going on. DWT became a little bit more on the overextended side. It broke now below the EMA line, got confirmation for a sell-off. Now going to decide to lock in profits again. DWT does the exact opposite of whatever UWT and /CL does. So I have 100% of my position ready to sell. I'm going to go ahead and put it with a limit order. Yes, it can continue to sell off a little bit more. I just don't want to stress out about it. There we go. So that was my confirmation. Going to lock in profits. Sold at 6.48, and it's still pushing up. 6.49, 6.50, but very happy with my trade. So just so you guys could see, all together on the day made a total of $2,278.03. I did that with 22 orders. It's 8:30, which is exactly 2 hours of trading. The market opens at 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and just so you guys can see, that's when I took around my first position was right around 6:45. So not bad. 2 hours of trading, $2,278, 22 orders. I do want to let you guys know that I do have reduced commission, so you guys can see that I paid $3 per trade. And again, that's as simple as just calling to the Ameritrade and asking to negotiate. So super happy with how my trading today played out. I do want to again invite you, if you guys are ready to join our free group, we're the largest one out there. It's TechBot Solutions. We have a little bit over 217,000 members. We're the largest group on Facebook, and it's absolutely for free. So there's no reason that you shouldn't join and just connect with like-minded individuals. Once you're ready for the next step, once you're ready to fully dive in, you guys heard me talk about them and work with them within this video. It's the Learn Plan Profit group. Once you're ready, you can either click the second link in the description, or if you're within our Facebook group, you can click the second link in our pinned post. This will bring you on over to our welcome page, and this will explain to you exactly what to expect within Learn Plan Profit. You get access to the A to Z video lesson library. You get access to being able to watch me trade live every single day. Again, there's these little videos that explain to you in detail about what to expect. And if you want to get a taste, you guys heard me talk about this, it's the live trading session. This is a live trading session that we had within Learn Plan Profit. So if you want to get a taste of what our morning live streams are like, then simply click the second link in the description, scroll down, watch me trade live every single day, and just get a taste of what you can experience once you are ready. But again, had an absolute blast. I'm just going to let the Learn Plan Profit team know that I sold and done for the day. So it's time to grab some breakfast, some lunch with the team, but really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, all the links are down in the description. If you guys aren't ready for Learn Plan Profit, and if you already are part of TechBot Solutions but still want to get your feet wet, I do want to invite you to our crash course. It's $7, and it's going to provide a great foundation for you to build off of. So once you're ready, that's going to be that third link in the description, and even if you have 5 minutes, just check that out and feel free to message me any questions that you might have. So really do appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.
That's what I'm giving, and faith still needs a gun.